How to remove shape outline in Word document. There are two methods. As you can see, I have here outline to the shape and I have removed the outline of the shape. First, you need to click on the shape to select the shape. Right click on the shape and then go to the format shape. You will see these two options, fill and line. So you need to click on the line option and expand the menu and then select the option no line instead of solid line. So after selecting no line, as you can see, there is no shape outline and then you can close this. This is one method. Another method is click on the shape. You will see here shape format after clicking on the shape. Then here you will see the option of shape outline. Click on the drop down and then select the option no outline. That means the shape border will be removed. As you can see, the outer border is being removed. In this way, you can easily remove shape outline in Word document or MS Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.